The liver is the largest internal organ and one of the most vital organs in the human body. It plays a central role in metabolism, digestion, detoxification, and immunity. Every day, the liver processes nutrients, neutralizes toxins, and maintains internal balance. Without a healthy liver, survival is impossible. In this video, we will explore the anatomy of the liver, its major physiological functions, the mechanism of detoxification, and the clinical importance of liver health.
Anatomy of the liver. The liver is located in the right upper quadrant of the abdomen, just below the diaphragm. It is divided into right and left lobes and is made up of microscopic functional units called hepatic lobules. Each lobule contains hepatocytes, the main liver cells, blood-filled sinusoids, Kupffer cells, which act as immune macrophages, a central vein that drains blood out of the liver. The liver has a dual blood supply, the portal vein, carrying nutrient-rich blood from the intestines, and the hepatic artery supplying oxygenated blood. This unique circulation allows the liver to efficiently process nutrients and toxins. Metabolic functions of the liver. The liver plays a key role in metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. In carbohydrate metabolism, the liver maintains normal blood glucose levels. It converts excess glucose into glycogen for storage, breaks glycogen back into glucose when needed, and produces glucose from non-carbohydrate sources during fasting. In protein metabolism, the liver synthesizes vital plasma proteins such as albumin and clotting factors. It also converts toxic ammonia produced during protein breakdown into urea, which is safely excreted by the kidneys. In fat metabolism, the liver synthesizes cholesterol and lipoproteins, converts excess carbohydrates into fatty acids, and produces bile salts required for fat digestion. Bile production and digestive function. The liver continuously produces bile, a greenish-yellow fluid stored in the gallbladder. Bile plays an essential role in emulsification and digestion of fats, absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, excretion of bilirubin and excess cholesterol. Without bile, proper fat digestion is not possible. Storage and immune functions. The liver acts as a storage organ, storing glycogen, vitamins such as A, D, B12, and K, minerals like iron and copper. The liver also has an important immune function. Kupffer cells remove bacteria, toxins, and old red blood cells from the blood, providing a protective barrier against infections. Detoxification function of the liver. One of the most important roles of the liver is detoxification. Detoxification refers to the process by which the liver converts harmful, fat-soluble substances into non-toxic, water-soluble compounds that can be excreted. The liver detoxifies drugs and medications, alcohol, hormones, environmental toxins, and metabolic waste products. Phase 1 Detoxification. Phase 1 detoxification occurs mainly through the cytochrome P450 enzyme system. These enzymes modify toxins by oxidation, reduction, or hydrolysis. This step may produce reactive intermediates, which can be more harmful than the original toxin. Phase 2 Detoxification. In Phase 2 detoxification, the liver performs conjugation reactions. The liver attaches substances such as glucuronic acid, sulfate, or glutathione to toxins. This makes them less toxic, water-soluble, and easy to excrete in urine or bile. Phase 2 is essential for safely eliminating toxins from the body. Alcohol detoxification. Alcohol is metabolized primarily in the liver. It is converted first into acetaldehyde, a highly toxic compound. Acetaldehyde is then converted into acetate, which is further broken down into carbon dioxide and water. Chronic alcohol consumption overwhelms this system and leads to liver damage. Bilirubin metabolism. When old red blood cells break down, bilirubin is produced. The liver conjugates bilirubin and excretes it into bile. If this process is impaired, bilirubin accumulates in the body, leading to jaundice. Clinical importance. Liver failure. In liver failure, toxins accumulate in the blood. Ammonia levels rise, causing hepatic encephalopathy. Bleeding occurs due to clotting factor deficiency. Jaundice and ascites develop. These features highlight the vital importance of normal liver function. Conclusion. The liver is a multifunctional powerhouse of the human body. It regulates metabolism, aids digestion, detoxifies harmful substances, and supports immunity and storage. Protecting liver health is essential for overall survival and well-being. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more medical education videos.